Problem number 4. So suppose Ben starts a company in which he incurs a fixed cost of 1,250 per month for the overhead. So the fixed costs are the basically the ongoing costs to operate a business. So that could include rent or salaries for administrators. Okay, things that actually don't change every month. Okay. Its production costs, however, are of $37.50 per item. Write a linear function C where C of X is the cost for X items produced in a given month. So before you pause and try to solve this by yourself, notice that we've got, for this cost function, typically we've got like fixed costs. Okay, so those are 1,250, and we've got production costs, and those are of $37.50 per item. So I'd like you to pay attention to the units. Okay, one is just dollars, but here it's dollars per. So see that as a division, per division by item. Okay, so that one of them should tell you like which number represents the slope and which number represents something else. Okay. So maybe add this to your notes. Units here are dollars. Here it's dollars per item. Okay. Try to figure out which one actually represents the slope and get me an expression for C of X. So pause and come back. So, of course, dollars per item. That reminds us of delta C over delta X, okay? So that's a slope here. That's going to be our slope, okay? So it's the increase in cost if you increase the production by 1. If we go forward by 1, you go up by plus $37.50. So that tells us this is actually our slope, okay? Fixed costs are when you haven't produced anything. That's actually C of 0. So this is our y-intercept. Well, actually the y-coordinate of the y-intercept. So very easily, we've got a y-intercept, a slope. We know what the equation is. We can write it in slope-intercept form. So it's slope times x plus the y-intercept. Okay. And with this, we could answer the following question. What is the cost for producing 100 items in a month? And all you need to do is replace the number of items by 100. And that's going to give you your costs. So multiply by 100. Okay, and calculating this, you'll get $5,000.